Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my demo class. I am Sanjita Sharmin Orni and today I have chosen the topic of basic information system. What do you know about information system? I want to start with an example. Yesterday while watching cricket match, my friend asked me about the average of Saqib Al Hasan. So I didn't know. So he searched it on Google and suddenly he told me that Google was following us. I said what? Then he told me that he just wrote S and the first suggestion was Saqib Al Hasan. So if you think about it, you will find it's quite similar that we see ad and suggestion on Facebook. Facebook shows ad and suggest page based on our preference and our past search result. So now the big question is how do they do it? Well, it's quite simple. Based on the product system and the nature, they develop their database. For example, Amazon.com, a well-known B2C company, uses MIS for their product promotion and selling. They maintain an internal database with the accumulation of user ID of each customer. They analyze customer behavior, pattern, age, gender for the recommendation and the suggestion of new product. That's why a young guy sees the suggestion of fancy devices. Recently, Amazon deals with Facebook so that they can get access to the basic profile of customer to know more about the customer preference through Facebook pages and added group. This is the actual use of external database. And if we think that the emergency balance of mobile limit to credit card limit, everything is done with the data analyzed by MIS. So MIS is the window of the organization. But the information is critical. When we have the information, is not the information we want. The information we want is not the information we need. The information we need is not available. So having the information is not always fulfill your purpose. That's why here comes MIS, getting the best use of the information. MIS provides right information to the right person at the right time. So we have to make sure people have the right information, have to make right decision in a timely manner. So that MIS is doing its job. So what does it mean to have the information at the right time? Basically it depends on the industry. Suppose if I am in finance and I am making trading decision, then that timeline is within milliseconds. But if I am in retail, then it depends on daily level. That's why at the information at the right time depends on the industry. The right people among anyone from the industry of individual player to the executive level. They need data, they need information to make the right decision. MIS provides information in the right form. What does the right form means? Form can be done a lot of things. Obviously, an executive level person doesn't want to read sheets to know how their sales are doing. They prefer graphs, curve to know immediately how their sales doing. So, the last objective is at the right cost. So, we have to do all this within the cost. There are some subcomponents of MIS. Let's start with system. System is a combined form of an organization which comprises of different subsystems. For example, an organization has different departments like MIS, HR, finance and marketing. These all are subsystems and our whole organization is a master system. Each subsystem produces information from their end and they are provided to their master system. Next component is information. Information is the ultimate mind data result of each subsystem to the system for decision making. Last but not the least is management. Management is ultimate the use of information which focuses the managerial decision. MIS is a collection of subsystems which can work together to collect data from surrounding, collaborate with them and to present it, which can form a complete information and facilitate manager other executive to make the right decision at the right time. MIS is a computer-based system which support effective and efficient decision making. To operate MIS, some accessory portion has become part of it, like networking of the subsystem. For example, Robi sending me various packages, but my packages are different from my mom's packages. I am using more internet, but my mom's packages are cheaper than mine because she is not using internet at all. So now the question is, how do they know it? The answer is very simple, because they maintain their database. The figure shows how an organization MIS actually works. In organization, it is the integration of all other information systems like financial MIS, accounting MIS, marketing MIS, human resource MIS. So, MIS provides and summarizes and provides reports on the basis of data supplied by transaction processing system and transaction processing record when there is business transaction is occurred. At the end, MIS provides data in the format of drill down report, exception report, demand report, schedule report, and key indicator report. Why MIS in organization? There are many reasons uses MIS in organization. The most important is it supports decision making and providing report through their required format. Next is it minimizes information overload. It changes the overload information into a summarized format. And then it encourages decentralization, because there is functional MIS in organization like HR MIS, manufacturing MIS, finance MIS. Then it reduces cost, and the last objective is it brings coordination among the department of the organization. While talking about MIS, I think this is an important issue. Some people mix MIS with computer science, but actually they are similar or not. They are not similar. There are huge difference between MIS and computer science. Computer science based on the development of software, and MIS starts with develop software, identifies business requirement, and make the best use of for organization purpose. That means MIS focus on organization and computer science focus on software. So that's all about our today's topic. In my topic, I was trying to make you understand how important MIS is and how MIS works in organization. Thank you for your time.